Did you know that Indonesia's digital economy is poised to become one of the largest in Southeast Asia by 2025? Hello everyone, my name is Bhinneka from the NOCTURNAL team, and in this opportunity, we would like to show you our design that we have created for the International Design Challenge. Joining me later are my teammates Sarah Rosalyn and Audrey Aurelia Chang. Knowing this statement before, it is known that programmers and developers are the backbone of Indonesia's digital transformation. One of the main problems is the lack of focus of freelancing scene in Indonesia. Based on that, we would like to participate in making an environment where clients and programmers are able to interact by designing Indonesia's programming freelancing platform, in this case, Kotakode Freelance. Continuing on next, we would like to briefly explain the design process and the solution that we came up with for Kotakode Freelance.
In Kotakode Freelance, the first thing users will see is the main page, which is an extension of Kotakode website. We have header, banner, features, review of job list, community partners, and footer. By clicking this button, users will be directed to a page that explains how Kotakode Freelance works and why they should use it. If the users are looking for a freelancer, users can easily create their own terms by filling in the fields on post a project page. Users can also search for specific freelancer that best fits the criteria. This website also provides users with feature to explore projects from freelancer throughout Indonesia. So, what are you waiting for? Find your favorite freelancer and let them do the coding for you. Lastly, we'd like to explain our overall design process as well as changes we made when working on the design.
In order to come up with a design that is suitable with the requirements, we did the steps following design thinking, where we empathized with the target users, did research, wireframing, reference gathering, and prototyping. In the research stage, we built a user flow to determine what pages and features will be created and how to organize all these pages into a pleasant journey. We used the Crazy 8 method to brainstorm and gather as many ideas as possible for the wireframe, and from the several wireframes that we made, we voted to choose which wireframe design would be the base to create the lo-fi design. After the lo-fi is finished, we start to create color palettes, call to action buttons, and determine the typeface to build the design system. Through it, we can maintain the consistency of the entire design page. It's our goal to create a simple and direct design so that it will be flexible to translate into mobile devices. Lastly, we prototype the design to give an idea of the desired journey of this website. For anyone interested in experiencing the prototype that our team created, you can access it by scanning the QR code that we have provided. That's all from the Nocturnal team. We appreciate the time and attention that you have given us. Have a nice day!